trong một cái kia à?
Dạ.
Chín non này. Bây giờ một cái xe nó dần thì to.
泡的那么泡。
啊，被多少了？
多啊。
那被被什么？被那个叫什么？被多少了？
没拿是吗？
什么东西把人家被多了？干什么？就这了，了被那么？好的，怕了被那么？那什么？
那个这。
哎，这谁？那什么？
泡饭这盘。你拿几？
对，他被什么？被吃么来吃干？他被哪？原来那个皮的。哎，你要干什么？
这是什么泡？真的假的？
你要公司上给你来的？
那个不一样啊，当然。
哦，你用嘛，用嘛。Chở đều. Betul, dia benar itu mah gini cina kaya, ni dah jauh sana, dah jauh se cicap lah.
Oh,那就哈。
Dah jauh se? Ni cina kaya lah.
哎呀，看，不是啊，跟不上。
Oh, acik dah, pang dah kaya.
Acik dah.
Em biết tôi, này đây là tôi cho bé sờ, này mua hộp lửa trên này to.
Nó chỉ muốn từ lồng công không ra, hoặc là nó nếu lão này, bữa tiệc của chúng ta với mỗi sáng sinh nhật, tôi sáng này nó tự nhiên thì tôi là sáng nay thế nào.
Cho cái này là.
Phô nó thì ít lâu xỉa nó giờ bị đi chán à?
Này là, này cái này mua to nó to xong nó, ta chỉ xong ta nó này mua cho cái này thì cho bé trẻ sữa.
Bao cái túi xíu phô, ta chỉ cho bé cháu tôi này bé mọi người lúc cả.
Nhưng mà Paul nói thì cái món chả sẽ cho cái gì này cấp tôi cho thế nào?
Hiểu mà mi tu, cứ là quý mong chả sẽ theo mong chả cái gì mà, quý nó cho nó chỉ bao rồi, chỉ bao dung lâu.
Paul dùng cái những cái to mất to nó hẹn à?
Em mi tu, hiểu tiền. Bây giờ mình nhận là cái là nhìn nói cái bên nói đó sẽ chỉ bao tiền nó có thể trong nó có thể cái chỉ trong nó là to là nó sẽ.
Phô cái chỉ trong nó nên cho nó non cái là giờ có chỉ sáng này chào nó, của tụi bao nó sẽ cùng một cái này nó.
Tao mà mi tu bao cái chỉ là bao lệ, hiện nay bao này cái bao nó bao cái bao là to là nó sẽ. Hiện nay bao đó chỉ là chỉ cái nó bao nó bao thì chỉ mò.
The reason why bây giờ Hmong people mua cái mò vì nó có bên nó cái bùa hay bên nó chẳng cái mua to nó hẹn là, and that leads to high blood pressure, diabetes, stroke, and
Every time we go to Hmong funerals, bên nó just pig, cow, and chicken, and that's a lot of meat.
But the most sausages ma is really bad. They call they more a lot of fat pork. And the German grind, the one the news na, it's really bad and it's a lot like fat and oil.
Okay, so let's talk about the truth, guys. Let's say we eat so much pork, so much meat, chicken, pork, beef, all that type, okay? And then let's go back to like our grandparents and our parents, the mama, they always like, oh, you the, bây giờ đã khổ, or, actually don't order bad, but then you know. But truth is, it depends on what you eat and what you put into your system.
I'm allergic to pork, so I don't eat pork because if I eat pork, I will have acne all over my face. So I cut pork off.
And at Hmong weddings, you're supposed to like drink beer and stuff like that, and that's bad for you. And they usually just serve pig and a lot of more meat. So I think that Hmong people should change that and maybe make it more healthier. And so and another thing is like the generation now, the teens now, they have pimples, and they keep thinking that something else causes pimples, but it's the pig they eat, the food they eat. So if you guys don't believe me, you guys can try it. Try going out and just eating pig for a whole month, and you guys will see your result. So I always like you guys to change that and don't eat pig, because you guys will get pimples and you'll get a lot of acne.
You know, so I suggest that you guys eat, you know, zhao, something healthy, you know, exercise daily.
There's different ways where you guys can cook different kind of meat. Instead of like fry some fish or fry some chicken, you guys can also grill it or boil it with like, you know, some steam. Raw steam. We let them eat whatever they want to eat, and then at the end they more chashia, more chakaji, all that sickness. So you know, I don't want anybody out there to be offended because but the information because like I said, we're not any like professionals, so we're just speaking from our mind and from experiment and from the past, and and you know, our history with our parents and grandparents. Other than that, so hopefully this information will help you guys, and also, you know, for the future ahead, you guys, you know, stay healthy and, you know.
Hmong people, especially for the Tininga, you know, they get a lot of tofu, you know, and it's not because of, you know, you're that qual, you're the boy, la shalan no, javi, có thể bên như bao thì you gai bò, gai new like steak, ribs.
To all our Hmong people, we should change the way we eat and stay fit, exercise more. And if I do it and we all do it, then our Hmong community will be better.
Hi YouTube! So for the Hmong Community channel, we just want to say if we are a healthy Hmong community, then we are a happy Hmong community. So thank you again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, leave comments, and invite us as friends. So until next time, happy holidays from all of us. See ya!
Bye!
You're so childish, man.
That's not good recording.
Subscribe.
Favorite.